When you're ready to make your application to us, go onto the website and start your application process. We require the CV, the degree transcript, 2 letters of reference. We have a personal statement that we have set questions for. We'd really like you to tell us why now is the right time for you to be doing your MBA, and what are you going to get out of it, what are you going to bring to us, and how is it going to help your future career. Our admissions team will then get in touch with you to help organise an interview for you. We will be discussing your CV, your application. We want to understand you and your motivations for joining our MBA classroom. After the interview, we will be in touch with you within about 5 working days with the outcome of whether we'd like to make you an offer or not. You then have 4 working weeks to accept your offer and pay your deposit. We understand that the MBA is a challenging program and there is a big financial commitment to that. So our scholarships will support you if you are one of our outstanding students. A good scholarship application will be very reflective. So thinking about your industry experience, how you're going to share that with your peers on the cohort as well. Whether you're looking to accelerate, whether you're an early career professional, we want to hear from you. So start your application today.